So I'm kind of in between Thanksgiving and Christmas. In here I have fresh balsam. And over here, I just received these today. I have a fresh balsam candle. And over here, I have another pumpkin apple candle and my thankful turkey. So all of this is preparation for baking tomorrow morning, and I think I'm going to wake up at 3, 4, 5 a.m. I don't know, something around those lines. And I kind of switched it up here. I put the echo on this side, and then I put my mixer on this side. It's just a little easier since I'm right-handed to have the mixer here, and then I can kind of grab everything that I need from over here. And there's one more thing I want to show you guys. Hang on. Sorry that it's a little dark over here, but this is a cereal dispenser. So, I mean, self-explanatory. You put the bowl here, and then these little levers on the side you flip up, and the cereal falls into your bowl. And so tomorrow, guys, is going to be a very big baking day for me. I'm baking for a couple of people. I'm making 2 pies. I'm making 2 batches of my pumpkin cookies. I'm also making 2 cornbread. Everything is going to be from scratch. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting up at 3, 4, or 5. It all depends on how tired I am. I didn't start tonight because my back is killing me today. So I know that baking makes my back hurt. So if it hurts already, I think I should maybe rest tonight, and then tomorrow morning wake up early in the morning and start the baking. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and good morning. It's 4 a.m. and I'm starting to bake all of my pastries and desserts for later on. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is the pumpkin pie, the delicious traditional pumpkin pie that everybody loves on Thanksgiving. So here we have the ingredients needed to make this pumpkin pie. We have 2 large eggs, 1 15-ounce can of Libby's canned pumpkin, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Down here we have a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ginger, and then a half a teaspoon of ground cloves. The pie now is in the oven, and we are going to bake this at 425 for 15 minutes. Then we're going to reduce the heat to 350 and bake for an additional 40 to 50 minutes. Now I'm going to clean up this mess and then start with the pecan pie. So next comes the pecan pie, and for the pecan pie we are going to be using 1.5 cups of pecans. Then we're going to need 3 large whisked beaten eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of salted butter that's already melted, 1 cup of dark corn syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're going to start off by just putting in all of the pecans into the pie shell. So now we bake the pecan pie at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. So now the pumpkin pie is done. I am going to leave it in the oven with the door cracked open like this a little bit for 1 hour to prevent cracking. I am going to place this ring around the pie like that to prevent the crust from burning or continuing to cook. So here we have the ingredients for the cornbread, and we're going to start off with 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 2/3 cup of sugar, and here I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 egg, we have a cup of regular whole milk, and I am going to add a can of corn. We also need, for the cornbread recipe, 5 tablespoons of butter. The pecan pie is done. Looks absolutely beautiful. So now in this bowl, we're going to combine all of the dry ingredients. Into the oven it goes at 400 for 15 to 20 minutes. Cornbread is out of the oven and it looks and smells absolutely delicious. Okay, next on the Thanksgiving Day dessert menu are my pumpkin pillow puff cookies, and you guys have seen me make these a million times, but here I have 1 stick of butter with sugar, and we're going to beat this until smooth. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to drop a little ball like that on each of these little circles.